Candid Chips and Bytes for Grade 7.
Chapter 1. Memory Management. Memory. Memory is the part of the computer where programs and data are stored electronically. The data and programs are stored at two different levels: main, that is internal memory; auxiliary, that is external memory. The different kinds of main memory are RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. ROM only reads, RAM reads and writes. Random access memory. Read-only memory. ROM is an acronym for Read-Only Memory, a type of unchangeable memory residing in chips on your motherboard. It contains the information necessary to start up your computer and the basic instructions that operate it. The storage elements in the ROM contain certain pre-coded instructions which are not available to the users. These storage locations are only read and cannot be erased or changed. So, it is also known as non-volatile memory. Storage devices. The different types of storage devices are hard disk, CD-ROM, optical disk, flash memory, USB drive, removable hard drive, smart cards, and optical cards.